Hello everyone. Today in this video I will explain you about record ID, its types and the conversion process of 15-digit record ID to 18-digit record ID in Salesforce. So let's jump to the topic and discuss about record ID in Salesforce. Well, a record ID is a unique identifier assigned to each record in the Salesforce organization. Every record has, be it an account, contact, lead, or a custom object, has its own distinct record ID. In Salesforce Classic, I have got 15-digit record ID, and in Salesforce Lightning, I have got a 18-digit record ID. Now, move forward and discuss about types of record ID. So there are two types of record ID. First one is 15-digit record ID and the second one is 18-digit record ID. We will discuss these two record ID one by one. So firstly, we are discussing about 15-digit record ID. 15-digit record ID is case sensitive and is displayed in Salesforce Classic. It uniquely identifies a record within the organization. Now we discuss 18-digit record ID. The 18-digit record ID is a case insensitive and is often used in coding and API integration. The last three digits of 18-digit record ID serves as a checksum for the capitalization of first 15 digits. The first three characters of the record ID defines the object. For example, account 001, contact 003, lead 00Q, etc. This is a predefined, we cannot do anything about it. And for the custom object, it's system dependent. Now let's take a practical example if we navigate to the lead tab. So for this, firstly we move to our Salesforce Lightning org. So move to our Salesforce org and here we comes to our Salesforce Lightning org and here we can see the loads of tabs are present on the name bar. So we want to see the lead record ID. So we click on the lead and we examine this lead record ID. So firstly we click on the drop down arrow of the lead and click on the all open leads and then we click on the any of the record and here we go. We can see starting three digit of the lead is 00Q and we can see this record has a record ID 00Q3T 000023AQBHEA4. The first three digits represent the lead record. 00Q is the record ID of lead. Now, after that, if I go to the contact, so we click on the contact tab and here we go and we click on the recent view drop down arrow and we click on the all contacts and here we go, all the records are shown and if we click on the any of the record and here we click on this record and here we go we can see the record ID and the first three digit is 003. We show the contact and the record ID is 003 3T 000043 1F9 1 IAAQ. This show the contact record and the record ID is starting from the 003 and these three digits starting digits show the contact and after that if I go to the account object so we click on the account tab and then we click on the recent view drop down arrow and then click on the all accounts and we see all record account is shown here and we click any of the record and we click on this and here we go we can see the record ID is starting from 001 and this starting three digits 001 indicate our account. So first three character always define the object and the rest character define the record. And this record ID represent the Burlington Textile America. Now we move ahead and discuss about how to convert 15-digit record ID to 18-digit record ID. Now let's take an example to convert 15-digit record ID to 18-digit record ID. So let's take this record ID. This is our 15-digit record ID, and this record ID belongs to the object because its starting three digit is 001. Now do the step to convert this 15-digit record ID to 18-digit record ID. And our 15-digit record ID is this 0010V 000008 FMBY. Now we do the first step to convert this 15-digit record ID to 18-digit record ID is divide this 15-digit record ID into three parts. We divide this 15-digit record ID into three parts. So we firstly take 5 digit 00100V from first part and the 00000 to second part and the 8FMBY to third part. So this divided into three parts like this 0010V, then in second part 00000 and in third part 8FMBY. This is our first step to convert 15 digit to 18 digit record ID. Now our next step is to reverse the character. So we reverse the character. So we take our first part and then reverse it. We starting from the last V 0 1 0 0, and this is how we reverse our first part, and after that we reverse our second part. This is the 000, so this is reversed as a 000, and then we reverse our third part with again starting from the last Y B M F 8. Now our character are reversed successfully. Now we move to our next step, that is A to Z. In this we take capital letter as 1 and the pending letter like numerical term and a small alphabet as a 0. So the this is the capital V, so we take this as 1, and then 0 is 0, 1 is 0 because this is a numerical term, and then again 0 is 0, and then again 0 is 0, and this whole term is 0. That's why we again give this 00000, and then we move to our third part, and our first letter is Y, which is capital, so we take it as a 1, and the next letter is B, which is a small letter. That's why we take it as a 0, and the third letter is M, which is a capital letter. We take it as a 1, and then the next letter is F, which is a small letter, and we take it as a 0, and the third last one is numerical letter 8, we take it as 0, and this is convert into A to Z. And now here we can assign 1 to the capital letter, and else we assign 0 to the pending letters. Now our next step is assign the values. So for this we move to our binary lookup table, and here is our binary lookup table, and that we have to look into in order to assign the values for all of these. Now from the lookup table we get the value. So for the first term 10000, now move to the lookup table and search for this 10000. Search this 100. In this there is a no 100. Then move to the next, and here is our 100, that is Q. So we assign 100 to Q. We assign this to Q, and then Our next is 00000, and now move to the next, and here is the 000, which is A, and we assign 000 to A. And then the third part is 10100. Now look up again in the binary lookup table, 100100, which it show 100100, and here is no 100100. So move to the next, and this is 100100100 U. This means our letter is QAU. So now for the lookup table, we get the value this as a Q, this as a, and this as a U. And these are the last three character we have got. Now what we need to do is append this to the first these 15 letters. 15 digit. Now complete the record ID is this 0010V 00000 FMBYQAU. This is our 18-digit record ID, and the last three digit of this 18-digit record ID is calculated by the above formula. So we do not need to perform this again and again. When we want to convert it with the help of the lightning, we already get it converted. But earlier we used to work in Classic, so we want to convert it. There is a function that we can use to convert it, and the name of the function is caseSafeID function, and within this argument of the caseSafeID function we use 15 digit record ID. This function is used to convert 15 digit record ID to 18 digit record ID. So with this we have come to the end of the video session. We will see you in the next one.